This video I will explain to you how to create the sweep command, okay, and 2D and 3D also. So first of all, I can go to choose the 3D view. I can go to choose in left, okay. So this is my left. So here I can go to choose one circle. It's around one, oh, okay, right. Now I can move it a little bit. Yeah, okay, right. This is actually in left. Now I can go back to my top, right? So this is my circle calibration. Now I can choose my one circle arc. So I can choose this point and choose another point. So I can drag it like this. Okay, right. Now I can go back to my isometric. Okay, I can go back to top. So I can just select this one, go to rotate like 90. Okay, now you can choose this sweep command. First of all, you want to select this one and right click, enter, and apply this your uh, pathway. Now you can choose this shaded, so it's created like a sweep command. Okay, again, I can go back to my 2D wireframe, go to top. So this is the one I created. So if you want, I can just create, select, and just I can move it somewhere here. Okay, right. Now I can go back to choose my front. Here I can go to choose my polyline. Here I can choose 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Here I will create one object. Okay, so I created like this way. Okay, now I can go to choose my chamfer or fillet. So I create the fillet here. I created fillet here. Okay, again I can go back to my top view. So here I can go to choose my arc. Right. So I can go back to my isometric. So this is my profile. So I can go to choose the sweep. I can choose here. First of all, I have to choose my profile first. Okay. Choose my profile and right click, enter. So, so now you can go back to your shaded. Now you can understand how it will be created. Right. Okay. Again, I can go back to my 2D wireframe and go to top. So I can make it a little bit move. Okay. Now I can create one profile here. I can choose my rectangular. Can just create it like this. Okay, this is my profile. So I can go back to my isometric. I can choose my line. I can take my line between this distance. So I can go to create like this. So this is my profile. This is my pathway. Choose the profile. So I can create a list around 1800 and I can create the path. So here you can find out this is my profile. Sweep I create. So this is a way we can create this profiles like a Swift. Okay, again, another example. So I can go back to my top view, go to create one rectangular. So again, I can go to choose one line. So go to Swift, select right click, enter. So I can go for twist around 3600. Okay. So I can go back to Swift, select right click, enter, twist 3600, enter. And I can go for the path. So here you can find out this is the way I create the Swift. So I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you so much.